afternoon, folks. We got a northbound engine here in Iron Mountain, ELS 402 and 502, heading back north. Heading back over across a location you guys are probably well familiar with recently. Just under the US 2/141 bridge, heading into Spread Eagle, where the Bears Den mini golf courses. If you guys do not know what that is, well, I understand if you don't know what it is, because some of you guys may have never been here. You guys can hear now. So it is honking, guys. I'm going to explain that. It's honking at a private crossing up here, guys. House to a... It's one of those private crossings they put in there. So, yeah. But we are... I do not know what street this one was. I think this is... I'm going to guess... Bass Lake Road, I think they call it again. But hard to say, they cannot remember that. Really. And guys, it's a good sizer. I was planning to catch this thing in, where? I was going to catch it at the depot. But unfortunately, did not have time to beat it down there. But I think you guys can hear it here in a minute. You guys should be seeing here in 1 minute our train. Third train of the last 3 days. We've had 3 videos, guys. How about that? Big shout out for that. But I think you guys can hear it. But beautiful live shows them. Got my tripod set up for this thing. Here it is. Here it comes, folks. There we go. I have to adjust my thing here. Here she comes. Bringing some LP lumber empty cars back to Segola. Loaded. Yeah, there we go. Look at all these log cars. Not all of it. They got extra metal heading north. Look at those cars. Those fill lots of metal up, boys and girls. And you can tell if I just there we go. You can tell above there's some metal and box cars. Watching, make sure to like and subscribe, and as always, see you guys next time. Bye everybody.